Cyrus. Okay, let it. Good morning to all. Now you don't wish, just look at the screen. Can you tell me, Cyrus, what is a shadow? What is a shadow? What do you mean by a shadow?
A shadow is...
Yes? What do you mean by a shadow? If you stand.
If we stand in one place.
Yeah. In the sun, or just opposite to the light. Yeah. You just go stand outside after 11.
Something like us, we can see in the ground. That is a
yes,
shadow.
you can see your own shadow. That is the same figure. Okay, turn off your mic. So let's see what is meant by a shadow. Okay, shadow. There's a nice poem about it, but let's see what is it. Okay, children. Now you don't worry about your textbook. You don't worry about the textbook. Okay. You don't worry. Okay, now let's see. We'll go back to the presentation. See, it's a poem. It's a nice poem about a boy speaking about his shadow. Now, what is a shadow? Now, you have to listen to me carefully. What should you do? You have to stand anywhere. Just stand and the light will be on. It's better to stand during night when the light falls on them, on a wall. Okay, observe your shadow on a wall. When you stand opposite to the light, the shadow grows in a funny way. You move because light will be fixed there. Okay, and you have to move from one place to another slowly. So it will grow very big. When you go close to the wall, it will be small. When you move away, it will be big. It will be growing bigger and bigger. The length of the shadow changes as you move away or go closer to the light. If you go closer to the light, it will be small. If you go far away, it will grow big. Okay, and this poem tells you, children, you have to see to this. Night, you just go, switch on the light and see what happens, okay? And somewhere also, even if it's no light in one room, the next room, if you stand there, you can see your shadow growing very big. That is when you go far away. Okay, no need of doing all this light in your house. When it is sunny in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, just go stand outside and see. You can see your shadow. Okay, and on the wall, you can show your fingers like many animals, horns and a deer. Then you can make even dog, you can make rabbit, all that. Okay, so length of the shadow changes as you move away or go closer to the light. This is about a boy who's fascinated by his shadow. He was so much excited. Okay, let us recite. See that boy standing there exactly like how he's standing. It's come over there. So, understood. This poem is written by, the poet name is R.L. Stevenson. Now see here, see that boy standing and the shadows behind. See the first picture down here is standing, the shadows too long. Okay, afternoon that is, towards the evening. See this green t-shirt he's wearing, it's just closer to him. And let's see and listen carefully how this boy is enjoying looking at his shadow. He's telling, I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. He's just had. Yes, who's that, ma? Excuse me, children, just listen, okay? Just listen. Don't disturb. You just keep your hands on the desk or the table and you can just look into your textbook or look at the screen. I'll make you all read. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Children, I want everybody to learn the first 8 lines for your recitation. After March 15th, I will ask you to recite. So you have to learn it by heart. Okay. I have a little shadow. Little means small. You can underline that shadow. Little shadow. We are explaining about the shadow. Okay. Explaining about the shadow. Small shadow that goes in and out with me. When I go closer to the light, it's small. When I'm far away from the light, it's big. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. I enjoy more than what I expect. The shadow is doing funny things, wonderful things. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. This boy is very happy because he's telling, my shadow is exactly like me. 99% from the heels, okay, from the foot to the head. Yes, I'm the same. Only thing, you won't be able to see your shirt's color or trousers color, all that. It will be only black. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Children, you have to see all this when you're free. You jump into your bed, the shadow also will jump. We'll learn eight lines, okay. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. How nicely he's thinking of himself, thinking of his shadow. You also must keep in your mind. When I read, you also move your lip. After this, I'll make one by one read, okay? I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Now, Juansri, can you recite the poem? Juansri, I don't want to scold anybody, but when you're in class, you sit properly, okay? Don't tell ma'am is scolding, you sit properly. How you sit in class, same way you have to behave in your house. Read the first 8 lines from the screen or from your book. Come on, start.
Shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me, from the heels to up the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed.
Good. Now, Prajan, can you read, Prajan? Whoever I'm seeing on the screen, I'll make you read, then we'll go to the next one. Okay, Prajan, read loud.
I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me.
No. It's a poem. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Don't read like lesson, okay? Read wherever, because one line after one line, you just give a break. Start. I
Have a little shadow that goes in and out with me.
Yeah.
And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very like me from the heels to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed.
Okay, good. Jake, can you recite that poem? My shadow, Jake?
Yes, ma'am.
First 8 lines. Come on.
I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me.
Yeah.
And what can be the use of him is more than I can see.
Good.
He is very like me from the heel up to the head. And
I see him jump.
Before he jump into bed.
Very good. Sri Mukilan, can you recite the same thing? Sri Mukilan, start.
Yes, ma'am.
You say the heading, children, when you recite, okay? My shadow. Come on, start.
My shadow. I have my little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what it can be the use of him is more.
He is very like me.
Very like me
From the heels
to up
to the head. And
I see him jumping off me
when I jump into my bed.
When I jump into my bed.
Okay, good. Now, very good. Now, children, let's look at the next few lines. Okay, what he's going to say about it. Yes. Listen. Just see. The funniest thing, because he's having nice fun when he looks into his shadow. Look at his shadow. Whatever he does, when he jumps, it's there. When he runs, it's there. When he jumps into his bed, it's there. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. That's what is showing their left side, children, with blue jeans and yellow t-shirt he's wearing. He's just standing with the legs apart and he's seeing his shadow growing. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children. This is not like an ordinary child, which is always very slow. How do you grow, children? Okay, Effie, can you tell me about your growth when you're 2 months old, when you're 4 months old, when you're 8 months, when you're 1 year old, 2 years? Will you grow soon within 1 day? Effie? If it's not
yes, ma'am.
Will you grow within a day? Will you become like when you're born, when you're 2 months old, after 2 months, suddenly will you grow to 1 year old?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you the same day?
Like
no.
Now somebody will see me and tell, are you in 4th standard?
Listen. See, it will take step by step time. 1 month, 2 months. Your parents must be waiting for you to grow. 3 months, 4 months. When you complete 1 year, there will be a celebration. But here the shadow, within seconds, it's growing so big, long. See, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. Children will go, a child grow. Yes? Who's that? Okay, Effie. Thank you, Effie. So it will take time for you to grow into a girl, big girl. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. As you grow, your shadows also will be big. You just tell your brother, your mother or father to come with you outside under the sun, like around 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, and you check. Your shadow will be little smaller because you're small. Rida, listen, Rida. And the next person, according to their size. Okay, the small children will be very nice. And after, yes, Effie. Okay, turn off your mic. Okay, let's see the next line. Yes. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. Sometimes he will become tall, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. See the two pictures given here, children. This is so long, very long shadow, and down is very small. Very, very small. You just see, children, you just see. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. Children grow stage by stage very slow. But the shadow grows very tall. See the first picture over here? Is standing, it's growing too. You have to go just after 1 o'clock outside your house, and tomorrow I will ask you the timing, and I will ask you when you come. You just observe and come back and tell me. You just note it down. Around 12 o'clock, how you stand, where the shadow will be. Then after 3, after 4. Okay, when the light is gone, you can't do anything. So see, this first boy is having a long shadow, and the second one very short. Okay, children, very short. Now, the funniest, listen carefully the words, pronunciation of each one. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. It's a plaything. And he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. Now, I want Judah. Judah, can you just recite this 8 lines? Next 8 lines, the funniest thing. Judah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow.
For he sometimes
shoot up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all.
Very good. Now, very good. Don't worry about that. Let's see. Okay, one more child. I want one more child to read. Yuvan Prabhakaran, can you recite that poem? The last 8 lines of the poem. Yuvan? Yes. After Yuvan, we'll just go back to the first 8 lines. You tell me the next 8 lines of the poem. Yeah.
The funniest thing.
Little louder. About
The
him.
funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all proper children.
Yeah.
Which is always very slow.
For he sometimes
Shoots up taller like an India rubber
ball,
ball,
and he
and he
sometimes
sometimes
gets
gets
so little
that there's
none of him at all. Now, very good, Judah. Now, let's see here. You can mark the rhyming words. You know what you mean by rhyming words? Please mark it. Then I will ask you. Can you tell me the first two lines? Oh, now, 1 minute. I just want Jasiel. Are you there, Jasiel?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the second one? What is the last word? Second line. Last word. Me. Me. What is that? Yeah. All of you underline that, children. Find the rhyming word of it. You can find it somewhere in the fourth line. Me. Come on, tell.
Nancy.
Very good. Underline me and see. Now, next child, Manu. Can you tell me from the heels? Manu,
Ma'am.
from the heels up to the head. Find out the rhyming word of head somewhere down. Last line.
Bed.
Head,
Bed.
bed. Very good. Please, 1 minute. Only Manu is talking to me. Just wait. Okay. First, you have to underline me in the second line in your textbook, and rhyming word of the same me. See. Again, me and me is coming. Don't worry about it. Now underline head, then underline bed. Okay, children. Underline bed. Okay.
Bed.
Now wait. Okay, Manu, thank you. Next person is Tarush. Tarush, come back to the next 8 lines. Tarush, not there. Tarush, are you there, Tarush?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me the last word of second line down here? G-R-O-W. What is it? Grow. Please check and find out the rhyming word of grow. Just below that, come.
No.
Slow. Grow, slow. Please underline. Okay, Tarush. Grow, slow. Now, the next, only when I call your name, you have to answer, okay? Now, next child is Shashwata. Just come to the next line. Shashwata. Shashwata. Yes. Shashwata, some problem with the system. Shashwata. Not there. Shaina.
Ma'am.
Yes, Shaina. Can you see India rubber ball? I just want you to see only the last word. Ball. Have you seen the ball? B-A-L-L.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
must underline the word ball. Shaina. Shaina. Excuse me, I am talking. 1 minute. Shaina, wait. One by one, I'll ask you. You told me ball, B-A-L-L. Can you tell me the rhyming word in the last line? Ball. Last line, last word, you see, what is it?
All.
All. Please underline ball, all. Now, Jeff, You have to read all the underlined words from the first line onwards. What? Did you underline me and see? Me,
Yes, ma'am.
see. Some vibration is there. Okay, tell Jeff. Jeff, hurry up. Me, see.
Me, see.
From your book, because I told you to underline. Now, Ashwant, can you tell me the next one? Head.
Head, bed.
Very good. See, you must read like that, okay, fast. Head, bed. Now, next child is Jamima. Can you tell me for the word grow? What did you find? Grow.
Found slow, ma'am.
Grow. Tell me the rhyming word. Grow.
Slow.
Slow. Grow. Slow. Okay. 1 minute. Next one. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Don't Riha. Riha, can you tell me? But Riha, unless I call your name, you must not turn on your mic. Okay, good girl. Riha, can you tell me the last one? Ball. Find out the rhyming word for ball. Rhyming word for ball. Yes?
All.
All. A-L-L. Very good. Now I want Alan to read the whole poem. Alan, from
Yes,
first to last. Others, please listen carefully. 1 minute, 1 second is enough for me. This poem, first 8 lines, you have to learn it by heart for recitation. Okay, ma'am will conduct recitation to give you all mark. 10 days I'm giving you from today. First 8 lines. Everybody must learn without seeing, with actions. Good children. Now, Alan, can you recite this poem?
Yes, ma'am.
You must tell the heading. My shadow, neatly. Okay.
My shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him? He's more than I can see. He's very, very like me. From the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me. When I jump into my bed, the funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller, like an India rubber ball. And he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all.
Very good. Now listen, it's not only Alan, everybody. Cyrus, can you recite clearly? Everybody. See, I cannot ask everyone to do only 1 minute left. Yes, Cyrus, do it fast.
I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump over me when I'm into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like a proper children, which is always very slow.
Very good. Now, children, 1 minute. It's time already.